Yawning is one of the most universal things we do, yet we rarely think about why. It's that big, deep breath with your mouth wide open. Seeing someone yawn, even just hearing or thinking about it, can make you yawn too. It's one of the most contagious behaviors we know. You probably yawn just watching that. Even reading about yawning can trigger one. But why do we yawn? It's one of those everyday mysteries scientists still argue about. The most common explanation is that we yawn to get more oxygen into our blood or get rid of excess carbon dioxide. But experiments have shown that if you breathe air with extra carbon dioxide, you don't yawn more. So that classic explanation doesn't hold up. So it's not just about getting more oxygen. The real question is, why do we yawn? Scientists now think it's all about thermodynamics. Meet the brain cooling hypothesis. Your brain actually heats up a tiny bit from all the activity, especially when you're tired. Just like a laptop, your brain performs best when it's kept at a constant, cool temperature. So when your brain overheats, you start to feel sluggish, unfocused, and desperate for a nap. A deep yawn violently stretches your jaw and neck muscles, rapidly cooling the blood flowing to your brain and resetting its thermostat. This action increases blood flow to the brain, sending a rush of oxygen-rich blood upward. The inhaled cool air lowers the temperature of that blood, acting like a natural coolant. Think of it like a car radiator sitting on top of your head, cooling the engine, your brain. Studies show that people yawn more frequently in warm rooms than in cold ones. Another finding: holding a cold pack to your forehead significantly reduces yawning frequency. So yawning is your brain's built-in air conditioning system, keeping you cool and alert. When you're tired, your brain temperature rises. Yawning helps cool it down before sleep. Boredom reduces mental stimulation, causing your brain temperature to increase. Yawning acts as a cooling mechanism. By cooling the brain, yawning increases alertness and helps you stay focused. Contagious yawning might be more than imitation. It could be an evolutionary signal for group alertness. It spreads like a chain reaction through a group, synchronizing alertness. Even dogs catch yawns from humans, showing deep social bonding across species. Chimpanzees, bonobos, and even rats have shown contagious yawning in scientific studies. Contagious yawning is linked to empathy, the ability to feel what others feel. Graph. Higher empathy scores correlate with more contagious yawning. Young children under 4, with empathy still developing, don't catch yawns. So contagious yawning might synchronize group alertness. Primitive scene: early humans. One yawns to cool overheating brain. Others see it and yawn too, staying collectively vigilant for danger. It's a subconscious signal. Stay sharp, team. But does yawning also stretch lungs or equalize ear pressure? Sure, side perks. But the primary driver is thermoregulation, the cooling effect. Image of a fetus yawning in the womb. Yawning is ancient. Even fish and reptiles yawn for similar reasons, suggesting deep evolutionary roots. So yawning isn't just a social quirk. Is yawning rude? Not at all. It's vital brain maintenance. Suppressing a yawn might prevent proper cooling, making you less alert. So let it out. Yawn loud and proud, but maybe cover your mouth for politeness. A montage of animals yawning: cat, dog, lion, turtle, hippo. Yawning connects us all across the animal kingdom because every brain needs cooling. Next time you yawn in a meeting, just say you're boosting your productivity. Tell your boss, yawning actually makes me more alert and ready to work. And if they yawn back, congratulations, your brains are now synchronized for top-notch teamwork. Satisfying. Subscribe for more brain-cooling videos, and if you yawned, share this with a friend.